This is the laptop designed so that you can be the hero of your own story, whether you are super radical or not, just like a regular person who enjoys more relaxed adventures or sharing your sport sessions, whether it's your runs or jogging sessions or even your paddle matches, and being able to use your laptop anywhere, even in places that might not make much sense today. But when you are not being the hero of your story, you can also play some games if you want. This is the new Asus ProArt GoPro edition, and it is a beast. It has 128 gigs of RAM. It has the AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 CPU, 2TB SSD, and the AMD 8060S graphics. You can use it as a normal laptop or in tent mode or even in tablet mode. It has 360 screen rotation that will let us use however we want. It features this 13.3-inch Asus Lumina OLED 3K touchscreen with incredible colors, and if you are reviewing the videos that you just recorded, the experience is amazing. It has two USB Type-C 4 ports, one USB Type-A 3.2, fast charging up to 240 watts, an audio jack, HDMI 2.1, a micro SD card that will come in handy if you want to take the card out of your GoPro and transfer the videos to the laptop. And if you want, you can also connect an external GPU for extra performance. It comes in a really cool packaging, and inside you will find a few more boxes, and inside those boxes you will find the ProArt GoPro Edition packaging with some nice details and protective straps. And when you open it, you will find the Asus ProArt PX13 GoPro Edition. You will also get the usual documentation, a 240-watt charger, the Asus Pen 3.0 with its charger, and a GoPro-style carrying bag. Now, the laptop is inspired by GoPro, so everything says GoPro right over here with some really nice details like the hinges with these vertical lines and design elements on the lid. Now, it's fully metal and it's super durable, but at the same time not heavy. It weighs 1 kilo and 390 grams in this nano black color, which I personally really enjoy. And in addition to the metal build, it has Gorilla Glass protection on the screen, and it also has the Asus military grade certification, meaning that it's tested for extreme temperatures and high altitude, so it won't be easy at all to damage this machine right over here unless you do it on purpose. It has this backlit chiclet keyboard that matches the GoPro style, a large trackpad that extends from the keyboard to the edge of the laptop, and it comes with the dial pad, which you can customize for the quick actions like adjusting volume or screen brightness, or even for shortcuts inside the apps like video or photo editing tools. Now, the CPU in this machine has 16 cores and 32 threads, amazing performance, and in Geekbench, so that we can have an idea, it scores around 3000 in single core and 18,000 in multi-core score, with graphics scores around 95,000. It has Wi-Fi 7, so the limitation here is only on the router side and on the internet connection. And in the Asus ProArt Creator Hub, you get an overview of the system's behavior, and you can dive deeper into each component and make adjustments like choosing between silent mode or maximum mode, and you don't even need to go on the Windows settings for a lot of stuff. And you can also optimize the system right over here, transferring files to the PC via USB Type-C 4 at 40 gigabits. So most of the time the limitation will be on the SSD side, as the example that I'm showing you, that this SSD only reaches 10 gigabits, 1000 megabytes per second. We are in 2026, only 10 gigabit, 1000 megabytes per second. It's insane. A few years ago, 1000 megabytes per second was a lot. Now it has 40 gigabits, so insane. And when you are editing your videos, whether in CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere, or any other tool, it feels effortlessly, because it is. And you import your files, you start telling a story, and everything feels super smooth. This machine was built for this kind of work, and honestly, even more demanding tasks. So if you want to work in 3D, and if you want to work in a lot of tools that will request from the CPU and the RAM, which did I say that it has 128 gigs of RAM, then this machine will be capable of doing all that without any issues whatsoever. And I would say that besides these tools that we are talking here and the tools that I use most of the time, to take full advantage of this computer with all these specifications, beside all these tools, there are a lot of AI tools that we can run locally so that we can take advantage of that. And of course, there are also things that are being implemented, for example, in DaVinci Resolve, which is one of the tools that I use with AI, that it will be able to do without any issues whatsoever. So AI, 128 gigs of RAM, which the normal on a computer is 16, 32. If you want to ramp up for video editing and so on, 64, 128. Just throw in some AI to the mix so that we can but you don't need to be working all the time. So during your breaks, if you want to game, you can. The integrated AMD Radeon 8060S handles Forza Horizon 5 really well. No stutters at all, and even though it's not a gaming laptop, you will still have a great time with decent graphics. If you prefer games like Overwatch 2, you will enjoy it too. I honestly enjoy every time that I play. It's really awesome, Forza Horizon 5 and also Overwatch. And even though I don't spend much time gaming, actually almost none, because I don't have enough free time. I need to choose between gaming or doing something else that I believe that it's the thing that I need to do. But I enjoy games, probably you enjoy games, and with a laptop like this, probably we would get a little bit more free time to play some games. Maybe, it depends, but this is not a gaming laptop. So if you feel that it's any game not capable of being run at full tilt right over here, because I didn't do that with Forza or Overwatch, but you can add an external GPU and an external display and an external keyboard and just make your battle station. Besides the GoPro inspiration, design, durability and whatnot, it also comes with a few subscriptions. The main one with GoPro. You also have CapCut and Adobe Premiere, but for more details on that, I will leave the link down below. You can check all the specifications and what you will get included with the laptop. And I almost forgot, but if you like to take notes, for example, just of your groceries, or if you enjoy drawing, then you can use the Asus Pen 3.0 on the touchscreen, which is really nice to boost our creativity. I'm not a drawing guy, but for notes, it's really awesome in my particular case. That being said, hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.